Natural language parsing, NLP, also known as syntactic parsing, is a computational process in which a machine analyzes and interprets the structure of a sentence in natural language. The goal of parsing is to break down the sentence into its grammatical components, like nouns, verbs, adjectives, etc., and understand the relationships between them to make sense of the meaning. Key components of natural language: parsing, tokenization, breaking down a sentence into words or phrases, tokens; part of speech, POS; tagging, identifying the grammatical category of each word, noun, verb, adjective, etc. Syntax tree generation, creating a tree-like structure, parse tree, that represents the syntactic structure of the sentence, showing how words relate grammatically. Dependency parsing, understanding relationships between words, like which word is the subject and which is the object. Example: for the sentence, "The cat sat on the mat," natural language parsing would identify the determiner, cat, noun, subject, sat, verb, on, preposition, mat, noun, object. The relationships between these words, like cat is the subject of sat, are part of the syntactic structure the parser extracts. This allows systems like ChatGPT to understand, generate, and respond to natural language more accurately.